In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Basic-5 Size Opacity in Krita. To get started, select the Basic-5 Size Opacity brush. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Basic-5 Size Opacity or look for the preset named Basic-5 Size Opacity. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Basic-5 Size Opacity brush allows you to control both the brush size and opacity while drawing. To use it, select the brush and start creating strokes on your canvas. You can adjust the brush size to change the thickness of your lines and adjust the opacity to control how strong each stroke appears. For smaller details and cleaner lines, use a smaller brush size. For larger areas and thicker strokes, increase the brush size. Lower the opacity for lighter strokes and increase it for stronger, more solid strokes. The Basic-5 Size Opacity brush is commonly used for sketching, line work, coloring, shading, and detailed painting. It is useful when you need control over both the size and intensity of your brush strokes. When using this brush, build up your artwork gradually by adjusting the brush size and opacity as needed. Use different settings for different areas of your drawing to create the stroke style you want. Once you have selected the brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue creating your artwork with controlled strokes. And that's how to use Basic-5 Size Opacity in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.